Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Clean Code. Today we will be exploring post order traversal of a binary tree. So in order to do that, first of all we need to create a node class. We'll start by creating a node class, and inside the node class, every node class will have three elements. First is the integer data, the value that the node will contain. Secondly, every node has a left child, and thirdly the node has a right child. So let's create a class for that. We will name it node. Once inside this, we will declare the data. So in data, we will declare the left and the right child. Once we are done with the declaration, we need to create a constructor for this. So we will now create the constructor, public node. Inside the constructor, we need to pass an parameter, so that will take up the value for data. So let's say we are passing int x. Once inside the constructor, we can map it now. So data equals to x. By default, the left and the right child will be null. So I will mark it as left equals right equals null. So this completes the node class. Now we will write the main method and create a tree inside that. So for that, we will start with creating a node root. So this root node, let's say we want to put a value of 35 over here. Now we will create a left child for it. So root dot left equals new node, let's say 30, and root dot right equals to new node, let's say 40. So in this way we have created our tree. Now we will write a method to print the post order traversal. So for that, let's start. We will mark the return type as void because we are just going to print it. We can call the method as post order traversal, or let's rename it to print post order. I think this will do. And as a argument, we will pass node root. So root is being passed inside this, and the data type is node over here. So the very first thing that comes into my mind when I start writing a print order post order traversal is we need to compare whether the root is null or not. So if the root equals to null, then in this case we will simply return. Since the data type is return type is void, so we don't need to do anything further. Now if the root is not null, so basically we will have to do three things. First of all, explore the left subtree, or let's say left child, then explore the right child, and then print the root. Alright, so that's how the post order traversal works. So first of all left, then right, then root. So we will write the code for this. The code is very simple. We will recursively call this method again and again with the left child to explore the left subtree. So we will call it like print post order root dot left. Again, to explore the right child or the right subtree, we will write print post order root dot right. And to print the node, it's simple, s out, and that will be root dot data. So this makes our program almost complete. We just need to do one thing, that is call this method from the main method. So we will simply pass the root over here. Now the expected output would be left, that is 30, right, that is 40, and then the root 35. So 30, 40 and 35. Let's see. So here you can see the output is 30, 40 and 35 as expected. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.